Festival glide. Start this dance in open position. We're going to start with a step, lock, step and repeat it on the opposite foot. So left foot for man, right foot for the lady, and step, lock, step and step, lock, step. Now we're going to step forward and immediately swivel inwards to face against the line of dance. So we step forward, swivel immediately, and then just as soon as you've done that, you're going to swivel immediately back to face where you were and do a side, close, side to end up facing against the line of dance. We'll just show you that once more. We start off with a lock step twice. Left foot for man, lock, step, 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 lock, step, swivel, swivel, side, close, side. Now we're going to do exactly that same movement again against line of dance, starting on the right foot for man, left foot for lady. And step, lock, step, step, lock, step, swivel, swivel, side, close, side. Now the next part of the dance, we're going to go into double hold and we're going to do a dance a square to the wall. This is lady going backwards, man going forward. And we're going to go forward, left foot for man, right foot for lady, a square brushing the other foot each time you turn. And ready? And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. We're going to do exactly the same movement, only this time the gentleman going back a square to the centre. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, turning into promenade position at this point. Now to continue on, we're going to do a 4-step promenade turn, where the man dances the promenade turn around the lady, and slow, 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 and you finish your dance with a chassé diagonal to centre and a chassé diagonal to wall, lady opening out, ready to start the sequence again. Well, we just show you those whole 16 bars from the beginning. And remember, start with step, lock, step, and step, lock, step, and repeat, swivel, swivel, side, close, side, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, swivel, swivel, and side, close, side. A square to the wall, and a square to the centre. Into promenade position, a promenade turn, into a diagonal chassé to centre, and a diagonal chassé to the wall, opening out to start the sequence again.